And I'm back with a Grove collaborative order. Small but sweet. Small but sweet. And I tell you guys all the time, each order, I deliberately order certain things differently. I got this on my hands from the Amazon video. Definitely check it out. Look up here for the little notification icon. Click that and that'll take you straight to that video, or put it in your queue, or look in the description box or comment box below. So the first thing I bought is Natural Care. And what is this? This is for what girls don't really want. We don't really want this. We could have lived without it, but you know. Oh, let's see here now. 12 organic cotton covered super ultra pads. And this is plastic free, perfume free, chlorine free, and it says it's free of a lot of stuff. Let me show you the seals of approvals that they have received. I'll open up the box. Now I'm ordering, thanks to Kitty, from a company, and then another company. I used to use them, and then because of the price and cutting back, I stopped buying them from Target. So you'll see a video with that coming up. And I would say 2 weeks. Look for that one. I'm excited about that. Hey, we got to deal with it, so might as well talk about it. Why not? So, let's see. If you have it, it comes out like, it looks like this. It's individually wrapped. And then it's got like this glue adhesive. And then it's got like these weaves. Now it is structured. It fits. It's just very stiff, almost a little bit. But once you put it on and it begins to collect moisture or the passing of your waist, then it will begin to loosen up. It will begin to soften up. It will begin to expand. And one good thing I like about it is you're not feeling it up against you, and it's not feeling moist or wet in that area. So it seems to be pulling it and holding it down. And though it's a thin little guy, it does collect a decent amount before you need to change. I would probably say don't push it past 2.5, 3 hours top, depending on your flow, how much you dispense out during your monthly. My menopause people talk to me. Is who's worse? Is it having this every month and having to get tampons and pads? And you know, I actually order constantly checking, and the cramps and the this and the that, or is going through that phase of life more challenging? All right, the next thing we have here is that soap. You're going to see the soap now. The soap is going to be consistent, but the scents might change. And this time I finally purchased peppermint. Oh my God, Father Christmas. I don't do Christmas, but I did when I miss it a little bit. And look at it. It just smells so fresh and just so, oh my goodness. It just smells refreshing and minty, and just like Bing Crosby singing in your ear. Come on, man. Who can't love Bing Crosby? And this is the next one. Now, it's been about 2 or 3 orders. This was in my first order, I want to say, since I've had lavender oatmeal. If I've had lavender oatmeal. But I've already used it in one shower. Look at the little oats, guys. And it just feels so nice going up against the body. It's not, ow, 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 it just feels like, yes, you know, get the little dead skin cells off, please and thank you. You just, you come out feeling fresh, though that's what a shower is supposed to do. But you don't feel stripped, and you don't feel overly moisturized. You know how Caress and certain ones, you come out feeling like there's a coating on top of your skin, and you kind of didn't ask for it to still be there. That don't do you like that. I bought a combo. They have a kids line of hand soap. I'm that kid. I just wanted some hand soap, and I thought, hey, I would love to try that one because it sounds like it smells like fun. They had 2 different ones, and I went with this one. This one's pineapple. Let's crack this open. Let's be nosy. And it smell like pineapple. Now it says on this little thingamabob, talking about approximate, my eye. That's trying to leave room for if you don't, but it says you get 3 refills. Be sure to hit that referral link that I'm going to leave in the comment section for you. You get 5 free gifts. Mrs. Meyer's fall line, I just pre-ordered and got some giveaway stuff. Y'all, your girl coming for you. Right over there, some giveaway stuff. But this channel numbers it needs to get enhanced and get increased in the name of everything. But that could be your 5 free gifts. It changes all the time, but you're guaranteed 5 free gifts from their line. I got the Grove Collaborative. What is this, guys? This is your bottle cleaner. It's saying champagne glass cleaner, and you get the universal wand, and then you get the replacement head, and then you can, you know, once this gets all tattered or whatever, and you're like, oh no, bro, you gotta go, then you just order another one, but you always keep your wand. But when you initially, you can purchase it independently, but you can also purchase them together as a set, and this is the set. I got adventurous again. I want to try different things, and so I noticed they had some European dishcloths. And that says, let's see here, once you try a European dishcloth, you may wonder why you have ever needed paper towels. These durable or absorbent sponge cloths are perfect for mopping up any mess. When you want to clean them, simply pop them in the dishwasher. Look at that, y'all. I don't have a dishwasher. Man. And it says to easily disinfect, reduce waste while making your home sparkly clean. Best kind of multitasking. And you get 2. So one is yellow, and then the one is the mint. I know I showed it to you in reverse. Just roll with your girl. Just roll with your girl. Okay, I got this. I grew up old school, so I buy the better comic version, and then I got the Mrs. Meyer's comic like a jail. I'm so sorry, but I needed to get these videos done. Anyways, this is great for your tubs, your grills, your any stain that if you got, I can't tell you hardwood floor people that, because that might not do good. But your tiles, your tile floor, ceramic, marble, terrazzo, anything like that, and you just really want to get it kind of sparkling crisp, you can go in with this, put something on your knees and get down there, scrub it first, then go in and mop it or steam mop it, because after a while the mopping, the steaming, it don't get everything up. So go in, break some of that stuff up yourself. You don't have to do it every day, but you know, once a month or something like that, and then go in and then mop. And so I got it for those kind of tough jobs. 2 more things and we'll be done. 2 more things and we'll be out of this video. They had a tea and mug set. They do a lot of bundles. So if you see something separate, before checking out or committing to that in your cart, go and look and see if they have a companion package, because a lot of times they do. Now in this case, mug from Grove Collaborative, this is the box. It does come in different collections. You get a wood top, again for that tea leaves to infuse, and that the flavoring can remain instead of evaporating. And then this is what it looks like. It just got a really nice rustic country vibe feel, very organic. I just love it. It was another color choice. I went with this one. And then let me show you the last item. And then here is the little kids hand soap bottle. Again, it comes into 2 different colors, so look out for it. I bought it in a bundle, but you can buy it separately on its own, standalone. And this is what it looks like. I thought the yellow would pair well in my guest bathroom, aka the main bathroom, and I thought it would do well, so I bought that in the the gel hand soap together as a pair. And I love the pineapple scent. Next month I'll pick up the red one that can go in the back bathroom, and we're going to call that thing a day. And I'm going to tell you guys if I liked it, if it rinsed the hands off really well, and if it cleaned really well. Thanks for watching this video. Again, if you want to give Grove a try, free shipping, first five full-size gift with purchase, and yeah. And you gotta order stuff anyways. I mean, buy stuff anyways. That's a sneak peek. And it's apple cider and acorn spice. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and come back again. Have a blessed day, everyone. Peace.